Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Pad Go 2. In this video I want to show you how to set up Face Unlock on this device. So let's start by opening settings, and now let's scroll down to security and privacy. Let's go to security section, and here you will find device unlock. Now let's tap Face Unlock, tap Face. And now you want to confirm by entering your lock screen password. But if you haven't set it up yet, you'll have option to do that. You'll have opportunity to do that. And now when you are on the page Enroll Face, let's press Add Now, which is at the bottom side of the screen. Now on your screen you can see this frame, and all you're gonna do is scan your face. Okay, so it says Face Edit. Let's tap Done button. You can see different sections that you can customize, such as use face data for screen unlock. Additionally, you can lock your applications with your face. But what is really important, that you turn on feature require eyes to be open, so that your face was scanned successfully only when your eyes are open. So if you enable this option, you prevent that someone, for example, scans your face while you sleep, for example, and unlocks your phone. So please toggle that on. So that is basically how you can set up Face Unlock on your OnePlus Pad Go 2. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.